it is. The room, there's the sofa. The back edge. There's a door there to a workspace. Then around. This is the bar area. Pretty sturdy. And over here, it's got this strange condition. It slants up. This hole in the paneling. And there we go. That's it. The Rotolo's Man Cave.